Hey everyone, today we'll be drawing a simple fat cat with a bit of character. You will need a drawing pad, Texta Zoom Twist crayons, and Texta Nylorite colouring markers, and that's it. So we're going to start with really simple shapes for the cat. He's going to be a big fat cat. So, nice big oval. I'm going to get his little legs in here. We're doing a bit of perspective drawing here, so the back leg's got to be a little bit smaller than the front leg. This little tail's going to come up here. I'm going to use a simple shape like a circle for his ears, triangles. Put in a little face. We'll get some detail in there now. So this little guy is going to have some stripes. Like a little tiger cat. Get some detail going. Make him a little ginger cat. So we get the little shape of his head. A bit more detail with the stripes. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, we can go over it. Now using Texta Zoom Twist crayons. Make it look like his big white tip on the end of his tail. We can add some detail with some darker colours, make him look a little bit more 3D. Darken up little areas that might be in shadow. A bit more colour around his little face. And now for the last bit, his whiskers. Giant whiskers because he's got a giant belly. And for the finishing touch, and that's how you draw a simple cat using Texta Nylorite colouring markers and Texta Zoom Twist crayons. If you want to see more cool videos, like and subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next.